Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code in Canva, simply, easily, and completely free. No complicated steps, no payment required. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Canva. First, open your browser and go to the Canva website. Once you're in, click on Create a new design. To open a blank canvas, this is where we'll build our QR code. Step 2. Find the QR code app. On the left sidebar, click on Apps. In the search box, type QR code. You'll see an option called Dynamic QR Codes. Go ahead and select that. Step 3. Set up your QR code. Now choose the QR type as link. This means when someone scans it, they'll be redirected to a website of your choice. In the link box below, paste or type your URL. One important thing, make sure your link starts with https://. Otherwise Canva won't recognize it as a valid link. Step 4. Generate the QR code. Once your link is entered, click the Add QR Code button, and just like that, your QR code is generated automatically. And there you have it, a fully working QR code. You can scan it with your phone to test it out, and it'll redirect straight to the link you specified. That's it, quick, simple, and totally free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.